Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's see what VECHAIN is doing. Recently it has been really volatile, it goes up, like one penny comes down, another penny. So let's see what's going on with it. So we know that VECHAIN was in this, falling wedge like this one. And then, it came out of it. That was a good sign. But if you go in the 4 hourly, you can see where the resistance was coming from, okay? It was coming from right over here, actually, right over here. Okay, and you can see as soon as we lost this level with this one, the price just came down. So this is a battle that we are fighting right now. But good thing with VeChain is it's creating something within this structure. Okay, you can see that it's making higher lows. Okay, this is what you want to see. Normally when falling wedges come to the downside, they create something like a reversal pattern, and this one is you could call it an ascending triangle is trying to form here. You see right over there. So we can come and touch over here, and maybe do this and then eventually break out. This is something that I'm looking forward to if it plays out accordingly in this formation. Okay, and if you even go in the what's it called, the RSI, so we can clearly see that over here, when this breakout happened. Okay, you can see that it was right over there. We're right over here. Okay, when the breakout happened, we had this bullish divergence that took place. Lower low, higher low in the RSI. As soon as it broke out, we went over all the EMAs and took off, okay? But you can see the RSI was respecting this trend line and found support here, then went up, then when it broke, then the price came a little bit down and held support right over there, okay? Right over here, okay? This was the support for the price action, and RSI found support right over here, okay? Right over here. Okay, you can see one touch, two touch, and so on. Okay, now if you come to the present time, we can see RSI is doing something very similar. It's going up, down, and just bouncing off this support. That's what we want to see. We want to see it break this resistance here. Now we can build a case that right over there, right over here. Yeah. So once we break this area, okay, the price is going to break this resistance and go to the upside, and vice versa. The support in the RSI, if it breaks this, it is going to go to the downside. Okay, but overall, it's creating a bullish reversal pattern, so hopes are it's going to break to the upside. And everything really matters with Bitcoin as well. So if you can look at the Bitcoin chart, you can see Bitcoin formation is pretty similar to a lot of coins, but VeChain specifically is very similar. Okay, and you know that Bitcoin is going towards that 59,000, coming down to the 55,000, then bouncing up and down, like ping pong ball, up and down. Okay, but it's still good because what Bitcoin is doing right now, I can show you that in the 4 hourly, and we can build a case. Bitcoin went down. This is the resistance, this is the support. Okay, that's the reason Bitcoin is fluctuating so much. Down, up, down, up, down, double bottom. Okay, up, down, up, down. So the next move is probably coming back to the 59,000. Okay, and you can see that it's holding support right over here now. This OV8 made a double bottom. You could also build a case is it's something like a head and shoulder pattern it's making. So if it goes up over here, you can clearly tell that VeChain is going to come over here, break this resistance, and go to the upside. Bitcoin has to break this area, go to the upside, and the next resistance I would say is going to be somewhere here. Okay, somewhere over here. This is the resistance area. It's going to battle that, come back, go up. Same goes with VeChain. It breaks this, it's going to come get some resistance right over there, have some resistance there, but once it gets over the 20 and the 55 EMA, it's going to sail to the upside. Look at that, gets over, comes retest, and then sails to the upside. And if you go to the weekly time frame, I've told you this before, that if you get a weekly bullish candle over here, this is what's coming. Okay, this is what's coming, and looking forward to that move. Also, another little, if it goes, if it breaks this level, okay, the support that it's building, we can bring the Fibonacci, measure this move. Now, if you can see where the 0.618 is. So that's the support. So it's bouncing up and down between the 0.5 and the 0.618, up, down, holding support here, and then probably gonna bounce here. Now, if you see VeChain break this level 0.618, it might come down and it's gonna have a, like you could say a retest of 0.786. And I would say this is gonna be like a like a slingshot kind of move where price can do something like this, if it comes. I don't think it will. It all depends on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is planning on doing. But if it does, it might do something like this, this move, and come to the upside. So just keep an eye on the RSI and the Bitcoin, what it's doing, because Bitcoin is really playing with all the altcoins at the moment. So yeah, that's it for today. But let me just quickly show you this. And this is the Ethereum and VeChain pairing chart. So what this is that, I've shown you this in my previous videos. Whenever there's a VeChain gets into power, it has these moves, these crazy moves. So we are at the very bottom, and we still have this to come. Okay, so a lot of good things ahead for VeChain, and it's looking quite good to me. Okay, but thank you guys. Have a good day. Hope this video brought you some good information. And look, we are making a bullish candle over here. This is a bullish candle. Okay, like my channel, subscribe my channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Have a good day. Take care, guys. Bye bye.